Ever wondered how double glazing keeps your home quiet, cozy, and energy efficient? The mystery unravels today. Double glazing has revolutionized home insulation, but its workings may seem puzzling. 2 sheets of glass, trapped air in between, and voila. But is it that simple? Heat leakage, noise pollution, and cold draughts. That's the trouble with single glazed windows. Now imagine a simple solution: double glazing. The trapped air or gas layer slows down heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in winter, cooler in summer, and quieter all year round. Go on, embrace the power of double glazing. It's a win-win for your comfort and the environment. We offer A++ energy-rated products, including Planitherm Total Plus energy-efficient glass, argon gas-filled units, and warm-edge Swiss spacers as standard. Intrigued about double glazing and want to know more? Leave a comment or send us a message. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video.